Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayoshola Ogundele. Very low Earth orbit emerging orbital regime, the transformative frontier that bridges traditional space operations and upper atmosphere. Very low Earth orbit, an orbital regime within 100 kilometers and 450 kilometers altitudes above the Earth's surface and just above the Kármán line, is emerging as a critical frontier that offers a self-cleaning alternative that could revolutionize telecommunications, intelligence, and environmental monitoring. Very low Earth orbit lies below the standard low Earth orbit used for commercial satellites, International Space Station, Tiangong Space Station, and a host of others. Presently, government space agencies and private space organizations are focusing on the use of very low Earth orbit because LEO is becoming crowded. Some of the transformative benefits of very low Earth orbit are hyper-resolution imaging, ultra-low latency, self-cleaning orbit, and cost efficiency. Based on the proximity to the Earth's surface, very low Earth orbit satellites can capture higher quality imagery with smaller, more cost-effective camera systems. Shorter distances between the ground and space enable near real-time data transfer, which is vital for autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, and military operations. Launching into very low Earth orbit requires less energy, and the increased signal strength allows for smaller, less power-intensive payloads. The focus points are as follows. Very low Earth orbit transformative frontier, advantages of very low Earth orbit, physical characteristics and challenges of very low Earth orbit, and very low Earth orbit technological breakthrough. Very low Earth orbit transformative frontier. It is the emerging orbital regime which is situated between 100 kilometers and 400 kilometers above Earth's surface. Presently, standard low Earth orbit is becoming increasingly congested. Very low Earth orbit is being hailed as the next transformative frontier because it bridges the gap between traditional space operations and the upper atmosphere. The figure here illustrates a very low Earth orbit regime, low Earth orbit, medium Earth orbit, and geostationary Earth orbit regime. Very low Earth orbit offers enhanced imaging resolution, lower latency, and reduced space debris risk, while providing significant advantages for Earth observation and communication. Very low Earth orbit presents challenges including high atmospheric drag, atomic oxygen erosion, and the need for active orbit maintenance. In terms of altitude, very low Earth orbit is usually classified as between 100 and 400 kilometers, closer to the Earth than the standard low Earth orbit. The picture here illustrates very low Earth orbit concept. Advantages of very low Earth orbit are as follows. Imagine very low Earth orbit technology operating below 400 kilometers offers superior Earth observation resolution, lower latency, and enhanced sustainability. By operating closer to the Earth, satellites deliver sharper imagery, better signal strength, and reduce collision risk, while capitalizing on rapid natural debris decay. The picture here illustrates a very low Earth orbit satellite. Other advantages are improved imaging and signal performance. Proximity to Earth allows for significantly higher resolution images and improved signal-to-noise ratio. Radar payloads see an 8-fold increase in perception due to the reduced closer distance. Lower latency communication. Reduced distance to Earth reduces latency to a minimum, enabling faster data transmission. Excess illustration of space application ideas in very low Earth orbit is illustrated in this picture. Other examples are reduced space debris and sustainability. Very low Earth orbit is a self-cleaning orbit. Objects at these altitudes have a shorter lifespan, which allow them to burn up naturally in the atmosphere faster, and reducing long-term debris. Lower launch and operational costs. Smaller, lighter satellites can be launched into very low Earth orbit for lower costs, with improved payload to orbit efficiency. Different types of orbits are illustrated in this picture. Enhanced security and maneuverability. Very low Earth orbit satellites are more difficult to detect, track, and target, improving their survivability in a contested space environment. They also have increased in-track or cross-track maneuverability in order to avoid threat. Atmosphere breathing propulsion. Future very low Earth orbit systems may use air-breathing electric propulsion, potentially eliminating the need for fast onboard fuel storage. Artist's concept of Thales Alenia Space SkimSat, a satellite designed to operate in very low Earth orbit, is shown in this picture. Various physical characteristics and challenges of very low Earth orbit are as follows. Atmospheric composition, the atomic oxygen problem. The most distinct physical trait of very low Earth orbit is the dominance of atomic oxygen. Another characteristic is highly reactive. At this altitude, ultraviolet radiation breaks down into single oxygen atoms. Erosion. These atoms are highly corrosive. The picture here illustrates satellite communication system. Rarefied gas dynamics, that is aerodynamic drag. In very low Earth orbit, atmosphere is thin but dense enough that satellites behave more like high-speed aircraft than traditional spacecraft. The density is roughly to high value, which is billions of times thinner than at sea level, but enough to cause several kilometers of altitude loss per day. To survive, very low Earth orbit satellites are often long, thin, and needle-like. North Space very low Earth orbit satellite is shown in this picture. Thermal environment. Satellites in very low Earth orbit face a complex thermal balancing act. The friction of gas molecules hitting the satellite creates heat, albedo, and Earth infrared. Because the satellite is so close to the planet, it absorbs massive amounts of reflected light. DARPA air-breathing very low Earth orbit satellite is shown in this picture. Gravitational and magnetic influence. Gravity is roughly 90% as strong as it is on the surface. This thereby requires a higher orbital velocity to maintain orbit compared to higher altitude. Magnetic protection. Very low Earth orbit is shielded by the inner parts of the Earth's magnetosphere. Illustration of satellite orbit is shown in this picture. Other physical characteristics are ionospheric interactions. Very low Earth orbit sits within the ionosphere, a region of charged particles. Interaction with this plasma can cause an electrical charge to build up on the satellite surface, leading to damage of sensitive electronics. Illustration of this difference between terrestrial cellular coverage and a low Earth orbit satellite is shown in this picture. Key applications are as follows. Improved environmental monitoring, high-resolution monitoring of climate change and rapid environmental changes, real-time intelligence and defense, enhanced capabilities for persistent Earth observation and secure telecommunication, and more efficient satellite internet and communication. LEO satellite architecture is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautic for Exploit. You've been listening to Very Low Earth Orbit Emerging Orbital Regime, new transformative frontier that bridges traditional space operations and upper atmosphere by Dr. Ayansola Ogundele, with the focus point Very Low Earth Orbit Transformative Frontier, advantages, physical characteristics, challenges, and technological breakthroughs of low Earth orbit. Thank you for listening.